So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the VLC application. And now from here, just simply go to media and now go for convert slash save. And from here, just simply click on add and just simply select a video that you want and click on open. And from here, click on convert slash save. And from here, guys, you can download a video and you can change the file type. So from here, you will have various options that you can choose from that VLC has to offer. So you can change the format of your video over here. So it will be depending on you guys. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, H.264 MP4. And from here, when you click on this, guys, you can actually have a more detailed way in order for you to customize your video. And now, once you are done, just simply click on save. And now, guys, just simply click on browse over here to select a destination file. So let's say I'm gonna go for the desktop, and from here down below you can change the file name. And now just simply click on save. And now when you click on start, you will be able to download it. And now, as you can see, just wait for it to convert. It is currently loading up. And from here, you will have two options. You can go for overwrite or keep existing file. So it will be depending on you. And guys, another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go to media over here. And you can just simply click on open file, which you can open a file over here to play it. So just simply select a specific file and click on open. And as you can see, it will automatically play. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about VLC, and thanks for watching. See ya!